All right, for your Meet the Teacher video, if you want to do it really simple, no frills, and you just want to get it into Canvas without messing a lot with it, and you don't need to present from your screen, one option is to do it right inside of Canvas, so you don't even have to save it anywhere else. So first thing you're going to need to do is get in your course, and you're going to need to decide, do you want it as an assignment, a discussion, a page? I would probably do it as a page, so that's what I'm going to show it as. So I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm going to create a new page. And whatever you choose to do it in, you're going to have this blank slate as always. So that's fine. That's what you're going to be working in. So we're going to go ahead and title that. And then I titled it, and I gave a simple instruction just to click the video below. And you're going to go ahead and click this little icon right here. And whenever you see that, that lets you know that you can record and upload media. So we're going to go ahead with record. I'm going to try to scroll this. All right. And then you'll hit start recording. And then you'll go ahead and you'll record your teacher video. Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Aplicki. Welcome back to school this year. No, I'm not dressed very professional because it's still morning and I have my coffee. So anyway, you'll know what to do here. Just follow what you are asked to present and obviously look more professional. And then you're going to go ahead and finish your video. When you're done, you can see it, watch it, just kind of double check it. And I'm just going to title this. And then we'll go ahead and hit save. And if you didn't like the video, you could hit the start over button, but I just hit save and now it looks like this, but I didn't save the actual page yet. So I need to scroll down here, and this is just who can edit this page, so only teachers. But one thing you can do is add this to the student to-do list. So I really like this feature, and I don't know if we could always do this, but I just noticed it. So the page can be added to the student to-do list, and it's not an assignment though. I'm not going to get anything from the students. It's just going to show up for them to see it. And then I'm going to go ahead and save and publish this. Now I need to get it into the module. Oh, and here's my video. So it looks really small, but the students, as soon as they click that button, it will get larger and they're going to see it. Okay. So we're going to go up here to modules, and I want it somewhere on the top of my page. So I have a welcome module, but you don't need to have that. If you just have your unit module, or if you're doing it by day, however you're doing your modules, you just want it somewhere right up on the top. But I do have this little welcome module for the first day. So I'm going to add it to here, and it should be under pages. And there it is, Meet the Teacher video. I'm going to add that, put it up here right underneath the instructions for all the activities, and increase the indent. So there are all of my activities to welcome them to the course. All right, good luck. That's a simple little way to do it. Okay, bye.